Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks y'all for clicking on this video. I appreciate that. I really do. Today's video is going to be a shoe haul and a handbag that I would like to share with you. I purchased over the past, maybe it's been about a month, I think, y'all. I ordered 3 pair of shoes from Zappos. I love shopping on Zappos. Love Zappos. The reason why I like Zappos is because I don't have to go out and drive all around the city trying to find what I want. They have a 365-day, 1 year return. As long as the shoes are unworn and you have the original packaging, you can 365 days, you guys. Oh man, that's the bomb. So I did a little bit of shopping on Zappos. At the time, I kid you not, I think that Rakuten had like a 15%, what was it? It was either it was anywhere between 8 and 15% that Rakuten was giving back on Zappos.com. So I took advantage of that. First, let me tell you real quick, the reason why I have been doing a little bit of shopping is because I'm trying to upgrade my summer wardrobe. So dressing in the summertime is my least favorite season to dress up. I don't like the lightweight fabrics that summertime clothes has to offer, you guys. I prefer dressing up more so. Not dressing up because I'm a very casual dresser. I'm a very casual person, but summertime, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. If I decide to wear makeup sometimes in the summertime, it doesn't stay on as long. It just feels like it melts off my face, and I don't like that. So I have a tendency not to buy things, clothing and shoes for summertime because it's not my favorite season to dress up. I like wintertime, the chunky knits, combat boots, chunky sweaters, jackets, hoodies. I'm that type of girl. So anyway, enough with all that. Excuse me, I need to go get something to drink. So the first pair I wanted was a basic classic flat. This shoe is by Naturalizer, and this is called the Havana. So I just wanted something that had a little dressy but flat because I do not wear high heels, with a pointed toe, and it has this beautiful gold, is it gold or silver, y'all? I can't hardly tell, going around the heel here. Excuse me, can y'all see that? So yeah, it's a leather shoe. I wear a size 9. This is a size 9. And I will tell you, when I saw this online, I thought maybe that this edging right here would kind of hurt my I have a little bunion on my right foot. Okay, I need foot surgery. All right. I'll just keep putting it off. I thought that it would rub up against my bunion and cause it to hurt, but it does not. So I'm happy with these right here. And these shoes were about, I paid $99 for these shoes right here. Okay, so there's that. The next 2 pair of shoes I want to show you guys, I featured in a short video, 2 short videos. I did get me some Birkenstocks. Okay, and I got these right here. This is the Birkenstock Arizona big buckle. So that's what it looked like, and I paid $160 for these. Okay, so that'll be my casual sandal that I wear And then the last pair of shoe is by this company here, Sanita, the original Danish clog. So this is a wooden clog shoe, size 9, and it look like this. I love the way this shoe looks. This is not the most easy shoe for me to wear. I used to be able to wear clogs easily. I think the older I get, I don't know what it is, but, well, I do know what it is, y'all. I need foot surgery. So, anyway, this shoe right here, I love the way it look, y'all. This is my personality. Look at the studs. It's got a wooden heel. Y'all see that? I think you do. So, yeah, these were $140. Okay. So, those are the 3 pair of shoes that I purchased recently from Zappos. Alright, you guys, I wanted to share with you this Megan tote by Rebecca Minkoff. This is my second Megan tote, okay? I like it so much that when I saw this summertime version of the tote with this open weave construction, I had to have it. I initially wanted this beautiful buttery tan color that they had, but it was all sold out. So this black tote, it'll do. I like it. It's so pretty, you guys. I generally do not carry black bags. This is my second black tote that I've purchased this spring, summer, and that's unusual for me. I purchased a Coach tote from TJ Maxx that I showcased in one of my previous haul videos, my TJ Maxx haul video. So go take a look at that TJ Maxx haul video. Alright, so you guys, look at this. Black on black. Black all leather with the black hardware. It comes with a very nice dust bag. Nice size tote, y'all. Look at that. I paid $199 for this. Right now, this bag is on sale for $149. I need to get in contact with Rebecca Minkoff to see if I can get a price adjustment. Yeah, so cute. This is going to be the bag that I switch into next. I can just feel it. Yeah, so pretty. Alright, all. Thanks for joining me on this series of haul videos I wanted to bring to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I always enjoy coming in front of the camera and talking with you guys. So take care of yourselves, okay? Talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.